Okay, great. So let's try to add another 3D texture. Another 3D texture for our scene. Great. So select Christmas tree, expand it, and I will try to add the granite texture to our Christmas tree. So let's copy the history our color, select new shader. Okay, great. So let's try to play a bit. Let's introduce some colors, new colors, a bit light or not. Maybe we can play with that one. Probably that one looks great. Okay, so as you can see, simple as that, we can add additional colors to our trees. Let's try to do a render. Okay, and render just pop up. Great. So here we go. We have our Christmas tree. And definitely we can play a little bit more with the colors. So we still have plenty of time, and as you can see, the granite is simple. We can play with the cells definitely. We can check the density, but in general it's a self-explaining tabs, let's say, in this node. So in general we can go further. Don't stop on such small node, let's say. It's pretty easy to understand, and you already did so much work related to the 3D textures, so I believe you can handle it a bit now. So let's move a bit further. I want to add some details in here on last present, let's say. Oh great, I will open Hypershade. I will expand that node, let's say. Okay, so for a 3D texture we can use maybe Stucco. I didn't use that texture too, so just hook it into a surface color. And what do we have in here? Okay, this texture is super simple, 2 channels of color and the mixer. It's nothing special. Okay, let's clean it. Area. Maybe I will just change the color from the red to the yellow. No, green. Maybe the greenish. Okay. So what do we have? Okay, so I will probably leave it as it is, but because it's not something fancy, and yeah. Okay, so let's move forward and move the textures in a bit faster manner, let's say. So let's select it, expand it, add okay, I will try to add granite to that one as well. So open, store it to the to the history, assign the material. Great. Whoops. Okay. Let's see how to look on our Christmas pouch. randomness. I will remove the randomness. And we'll play a bit with the scale. And probably I will leave it like this. Okay, so what we can do next, we have trees, Christmas trees, we have